National Court of Justice is now in session. The Honorable Judge is able to preside.
Please be seated.
The case before the court is defamation. The parties involved are Dr. Cobb and Ms. Beasley. The plaintiff and defendant are each protected 20 minutes to present their pleadings.
The trial begins. Plaintiff, you may begin the case. Your Honor, my client, Dr. Cobb, is suing Ms. Beachy for defamation in the form of libel. I would like to call upon my first witness, Ms. B. Lovely.
Ms. Lee of the plaintiff of the right hand. Do you wish to tell this court the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so God should have done?
Yes, I do.
Yes.
Ms. B. Lovely, how are you today? I'm fine. So can you tell us, how long have you been a patient for my client, Dr. Cobb?
Oh, I've been doing regular checkups with Dr. Cobb for about 7 years now, and he has helped me through 3 of my pregnancies.
So you were saying you trust him a lot?
Of course I would trust him. I've been seeing him regularly for 7 years, and he's very professional.
So there's no complaint whatsoever regarding his professionalism?
No, I do not have any complaints about Dr. Cobb at all. He has always been very helpful during all my troubles with, my issues with my health and stuff. And also, I've also introduced many friends to him. If he was not trustworthy, would I do that? Would I still continue seeing him for 7 years? The gynecology is a very personal thing to a woman. If I'm not comfortable with Dr. Cobb, I will not stay with him for so long.
Well said, well said. You are aware of the message posted by the defendant, Ms. Beachy, on the Women's Forum at glamour.com?
Yes, I'm actually a regular on the forum because I like to check out tips on parenting and women issues. And I was quite shocked to see that there was this topic called Dr. Molest, and I read it was on Dr. Cobb.
The message Ms. Beachy posted read, Dr. Cobb molested me, do not go to his clinic at Bangsa Shopping Center. What was your response to the message?
I was very shocked actually because Dr. Cobb has always been very professional in his treatment regarding towards his patients. And I was shocked to see that there were so many negative comments. How can these people be so ignorant and believe lies and accusations?
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no more questions.
Defense, cross-examine.
Ms. B. Lovely, you say you have been a patient of Dr. Cobb for 7 years. Is that right?
Yes.
And during your sessions with him during these 7 years, was a nurse always present?
Yes, I believe the nurse was always present, unless during the times when my husband was with me.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no more questions.
Ms. B. Lovely, you now leave his bed.
Your Honor, I would like to call upon my second witness, the nurse, Ms. Missy.
Ms. Plaintiff of the right hand. Do you wish to tell this court the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, before the appeal?
Yes, I do.
Please proceed.
So, Ms. Missy, how long have you been working for Dr. Cobb?
I have been working at Dr. Cobb clinic for
10 years. Oh, that's a long time. So, how will you describe your boss?
He is very good boss. He is very good to me and respect me and treated me very well. And he also very good to his patients and very dedicated to his work.
Oh, I'm sure. Can you describe exactly what happened on the 5th March 2009 at the clinic?
Okay, sure. Back then, I was in the room with Dr. Cobb and Miss Beachy. And that time, Dr. Cobb was getting to prepare the pelvic check for Miss Beachy.
Yeah, right.
And suddenly, the phone rang and I excused myself to pick up the phone outside. As I was hanging out the phone, suddenly Miss Beachy came running out from the room.
she cried and screamed, he molested me. I will never coming back to this clinic again. Oh gosh, I was so shocked. Oh, after that, he came up, clutching her bag with her shirt unbuttoned. The 7 patients in the waiting room also left hurriedly with their shocked expressions on their faces.
You mentioned that there was a phone call, that's why you excused yourself to answer the phone. Before you excused yourself, did you seek any of their permission?
Yes, I did.
From the both of them?
Yes, both of them said, okay, leave me the room.
Can you tell us the call you received during that time? What was it regarding?
Objection, Your Honor. The private calls between Dr. Cox's client and the nurse Miss Missy is irrelevant to this case.
Your Honor, this call is extremely important to the case, and the answer to the question will help to establish the connection.
Defense objection overruled. Will you proceed?
Miss Missy, sorry, we will be disturbed. So can you tell us what was the call regarding?
It was a wrong number. There was a woman who was trying to order a birthday cake for her mom, but called our number wrongly instead.
A clinic for a cake. Thank you, Your Honor. I have no more questions.
Defense, we cross-examine. Miss Missy, you have been working with Dr. Cox for 10 years, am I right?
Yes, that's correct.
So, how would you describe your relationship with Dr. Cox?
Objection, Your Honor. My client's relationship with his employee is strictly irrelevant to the case.
Your Honor, there is substantial reason to believe that Miss Missy might in fact be covering up some important information due to their close relationship. As evidence, I will bring to the court evidence A, photos that suggest relative and Miss Missy, and thus her testimonial account might be biased. Plaintiff objection overruled. Please proceed. Miss Missy, so how would you describe your relationship with Dr. Cox?
We are just friends. We are friends of work. He's my boss.
Just friends?
Objection, Your Honor. The question is obviously misleading.
Objection sustained. Please reword your line of questioning. Noted, Your Honor. If you are, as you claim, Miss Missy, friends outside of work with Dr. Cox, how do you explain these photos?
Those photos you just,
Your Honor, I have no more questions.
Miss Missy may now leave this lab.